Hi everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of grayed out on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above we will search about the application of CapCut here. Then this page of app info, we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache, but pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us.